We're going to show you how to pin a message on WhatsApp. We will see how we can do that on iPhone and Android. It's a super helpful feature that lets you keep your most important message at the top of your conversation. Whether it's a work-related message or just something you don't want to forget, pinning a message will make sure it's always easy to access. Let's dive right into it. Before we jump into the steps, let's quickly talk about what pinning a message actually means. Pinning a message allows you to keep a specific message at the top of your WhatsApp conversation. Even if you get new messages, the pinned chat stays at the top of the conversation with a pin icon for quick access. Now, let's get into how you can pin a message on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Start by opening the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Scroll through your chats and locate the conversation you want to pin the message. This can be a personal chat, group chat, or even a broadcast list. Please note that we are going to show how you can pin a message in a conversation. WhatsApp offers also the possibility to pin an entire conversation. Once you find the chat, tap on that chat. Hold the finger on the message you want to pin. The message will be selected and a menu will appear. Tap on the pin option from the menu. Select the number of days you want that message to be pinned. And that's it. You've successfully pinned your message to the top. Now, if you ever want to unpin a chat, it's just as easy. You need to select the message and just tap on the unpin option from the menu. Now you know how to pin and unpin a message on WhatsApp using your iPhone. Here's how you can pin a message on WhatsApp using your Android phone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone. Scroll through your chats and find the conversation that you want to pin. This can be a personal chat, a group chat, or even a broadcast list. Let's enter for now on a group chat. Once you've located the chat, tap and hold the message you want to pin for a few seconds. This will bring up a menu of options. In the menu, you'll see the pin icon. It looks like a push pin. Simply tap on it, and your chat will be pinned to the top of your chat list. Now on a personal chat, there is an extra step you need to take. Let's see it in action. So we will go to a personal chat and also tap and hold the message you want to pin for a few seconds. You see there is no pin button, so tap on the three dots button. A menu will appear and you will see a pin option. Tap on it and the message will be pinned on the top. And that's it. You've successfully pinned a message on the chat. If you ever want to unpin a message, it's just as easy as pinning one. Here's what you need to do. Find the pinned message at the top of your chat list and tap and hold it. The menu will pop up again, and this time you'll see an option to unpin the chat. Tap the unpin icon and your message will be removed from the top. And that's it. You've now learned how to pin and unpin messages on WhatsApp using your Android phone. It's such a handy feature to keep your most important conversations right at the top of your list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Do you have any questions or suggestions for the next tutorial? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.